Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply find your Binance Futures referral code. It's quite simple actually. Your first step, which is the most important, is to make sure you have an account on Binance before you can proceed with any of that. So by simply using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to win 100 USDT worth of trading fees rebates when you use our link to register and then verify your account. So now once your account is verified on Binance, your next step is to head over to this futures section, which is at the bottom tab. That's this bottom tab here that contains the home markets, trades, features, and wallets. So click on it. And now we're met with the features tab, and where you have the three dotted icon at the top right corner of the screen here with this red notification, click on it, and then you're met with the futures hub or the futures tab, where you simply click on this earn bonus icon. It's just here. Click on it, and then you're taken over to the invite friends to Binance Futures. Here you can invite your friend and your friend is going to get a 10% discount on trading fees. So once you're here, you earn 10%, your friend saves 10%. It's a profit split. So now you simply click on this invite now, and you're met with your Binance Futures referral link, which you can easily customize if you click on customize code, or you can download the QR code, which can be scanned, and you can as well copy the referral link. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions concerning how we can go about any of these, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.